Now we are going to discuss about creating a Hello World program and running it from the Eclipse. Okay, so creating and running it from the Eclipse. So let's say I'm having three projects. Let's forget about that. Let me create a new project. So to create a new project, go to the file and new, select the Java project. In case if you don't see the Java project here, okay, in the top, just go to the others. So there is a folder called Java. Just open this and there is a Java project here and just click on next. So name Java demos examples demo. Okay, so all our examples we are going to create in this project and just click on finish. Once you give the name of the project, just click on the finish. Now it's always recommended to create a package. Okay, so select the src, not the project, select the src and then select new, select package. Let's go with com.java.example. And as and when you create a package, it's going to give a default class to you. We don't require that, just delete it. Okay, some Eclipse will give you the default class, some Eclipse will not give any default class. Okay, if it gives, let's remove it. Okay, select the package, make sure you select the package and do right click, new, and click on class. It is to create a class. Okay, so anything we create or we run is only from classes, right? So we have to create a class. Let's name it as hello. And whenever you create a class hello, or whenever you create some new class, it's going to give some structure to you already. Okay, so the easy of Eclipse is you no need to type each and everything. Okay, let's say when I say main and do control space, it says a shortcut main method. Just click on this. Now you see the complete method. I got it. Okay, so that's a easy of Eclipse. Okay, and going forward we are going to work on only Eclipse. System dot out dot print. Okay, so you need to remember this statement, that is system.out.println, and here s is the capital letter. Okay, it is used to print the data into the console. And yeah, so this is how we create a Java program using the Eclipse. Okay, every time you don't need to create a new project, every time you don't need to create a new package. Okay, from here onwards we'll just be doing right click and selecting the class. Okay, now let's run this one. Okay, there are several ways to run this program. So one is select the file, do run as Java application. This is one way. The other one is go to the file, go to the inside file and do right click and select run as Java application. This is one way. And the other one is on the toolbar you can see a run button. Just click on this drop down. Okay, so select the one. Okay, okay, no need to worry about that. Just click on this run button. Okay, it will run it. Yeah, you can see hello. Okay, so it is to, so just open the program and just click on this run. So it runs the program which is open currently. Okay, now you can able to see hello also, the recent one. This one will show this. If you click on this drop down, it's going to show the recent classes which are executed. Okay, that's about creating a hello world program and running it from the Eclipse.